Hello and welcome or welcome back. I hope that you're all having an amazing day today. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video, we are going to be taking a look at the Sephora Favorites Sun Safety Kit, and we're going to be discussing 3 reasons why you should grab this kit if you haven't already. So if you'd like to see what's inside, stay tuned. I'm sure most of you are familiar with the Sephora Favorites kits that they release periodically throughout the year. Now, one of those kits that they release is their Sun Safety Kit. I have been trying to get one of these for the past couple of years and somehow seem to always miss it, but this year I was able to grab one and figured that I would share the contents of this with you and tell you 3 reasons why you should grab this kit if you have not already. And the last time I checked, it was still available. So let's just go ahead and dive into what you get inside of the Sun Safety Kit. So the little kit looks like this, and it has 15 different products in here, and I believe 14 of them are sunscreens, and one is like a tanning drops that I definitely do not need. But there's $185 worth of product in here, and it is $39. So first I'm going to go ahead and open it and share with you exactly what's inside. It also comes with this cute little bag. This bag is absolutely adorable. So I'm going to run through these items really quickly since there are so many of them in here, but I do want to point out that there are 2 full-size items in this kit as well as a few deluxe sample sizes as well. Now the first item that we have in here that is full size is the Clinique Pep Start Daily UV Protector Broad Spectrum SPF 50, and here's what that looks like. And this retails for $23. And just some quick specs, it says it's ultra lightweight sunscreen and universal perfecting tint all in one. So I'm assuming this has some type of tint. It is an SPF 50. It's 100% mineral formula and protects against UVA and UVB rays. It's good for sensitive skin as well, and it's non-comedogenic and can be worn alone or under makeup. Now I will say that most things in this kit, or just about everything, says it can be worn alone or under makeup. So I may not repeat that fact. But since this says it has a tint to it, let's go ahead and see what that tint looks like. Oh, it does. You see that? It is a little bit of a tint. It's a very, like, maybe a slight tannish tint. See how it rubs in. Yeah, it rubs in pretty good. You can't really see it anymore, I don't think. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I don't see anything. Okay, so that is the first full-size product in the kit. Next up, we have the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream, and here's what that looks like. And this does have an SPF of 30, and it says it's a 24-hour light textured daily hydrator, and it's good for normal, dry, and sensitive skin. It's paraben free, and it says this can be used day or night after a serum. So this is really a moisturizer with a sunscreen in it. Now, since it does have a sunscreen, I'd probably be more apt to use this in the daytime rather than the nighttime, but the retail price of this is $33. Next up, we have the Dr. Dennis Gross All Physical Lightweight Wrinkle Defense Broad Spectrum Sunscreen SPF 30, and this is 1 ounce. And the full size of this is 1.7 ounces, so this is more than half of a full size. And the full size of this Dr. Dennis Gross is $42, so this is valued at around $21 or so. And it says it's an oil-free, all-physical sunscreen that blends into all skin tones. It contains transparent zinc oxide and antioxidants for safe, high-performance SPF protection that visibly minimizes fine lines and wrinkles. I would think that any sunscreen would help to minimize fine lines and wrinkles. That's one of the reasons I wear sunscreens all the time, to protect my skin. But it protects against UVA and UVB rays, and it's good for normal, dry, oily, and combo skin. So basically all skin types. All right, next up we have the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen, and it's an SPF 40 broad spectrum sunscreen, and it's water and sweat resistant for up to 40 minutes, so you have to reapply this every 40 minutes. Now the full size of this, well, it actually comes in 3 different sizes. It comes in a mini, which is 0.68 ounces, and that's $20, and this is half an ounce, so this is not much smaller than the mini, which is valued at $20. And then you can get a 1.7 ounce for $36 and a 2.5 ounce for $44. And this is a totally invisible, weightless, scentless, and makeup gripping daily primer with SPF 40. So it's a sunscreen that's good to be worn under your makeup, and it is water and sweat resistant. Again, you have to reapply this every 40 minutes if you go in the water. So there you go. Next up, we have the Biossance Squalene and Zinc Sheer Mineral Sunscreen, and this is 0.67 ounces, and 1.7 ounces, which is full size, is $30. So this is probably about a third of that. So it's still a good amount, and this is good for normal, dry, combination, and oily skin. You can wear this alone, under your favorite serum, under makeup, as a moisturizer, whatever you like. Next up, we have Innisfree. This is a brand I've never heard of, and it's a daily UV defense sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 36. That's a weird number, but anyway, you get 0.33 fluid ounces of that, and a full size of this is 1.5 ounces. So this is definitely a lot less than that. This is maybe like a quarter of that, and the full size of this is $32. And it says for normal, dry, combination, oily skin, lightweight, and antioxidant packed daily facial sunscreen that gives skin an island glow and blends seamlessly on all skin tones. So it's supposed to blend well on all types of skin. Next up, we have a little tiny Sunday Riley Lighthearted Sunscreen, which is a broad spectrum SPF 30. This is definitely a sample size. You might get one use out of this on your face. Very, very tiny. And the full size of this is 1.5 ounce, which is $35. And it says it's good for normal, dry, combo, oily skin, and it's good for dark spots, fine lines, wrinkles, and pores. Guys, I'm so sorry if you hear something in the background. I sat down to film and my neighbor started mowing and edging his yard, so you may hear some of that in the background noise. If you do, I apologize. Sorry. Next up, we have a sample of the Fenty Skin Hydra Visor Invisible Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 30. This is 0.23 ounces, and the full size of this is 1 ounce, which is $22, or 1.7 ounce, which is $38. So this is about a fifth of the 1 ounce size. And it says it's good for normal, dry, combo, and oily skin. And it's a refillable 2-in-1 sunscreen moisturizer that's lightweight, oil-free, non-comedogenic, and invisible. It targets dark spots and is makeup friendly. Okay. Next up, we have something from Glow Recipe, and it is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Sunscreen with an SPF 50. And here's what that looks like. This is 0.3 ounces, and a full size is 1.7 ounces, which is $34. And it can be worn with or without makeup, as all of them can. And this one says it is a gentle chemical and mineral sunscreen that quickly hydrates and boosts glow while visibly evening skin tone over time with niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and aloe. All right, next up we have something from Dermalogica, and it is the Dermalogica Dynamic Skin Recovery SPF 50, and this is 0.24 ounces, so it's enough for 1 or 2 uses on your face. And the full size of this is 1.7 ounces, which is $77, or you can get a 0.4 ounce size, which is $22.50. So this is pretty pricey. And it says it's a broad spectrum SPF 50, protects skin from UV rays, and a daily visibly firming SPF moisturizer with antioxidants and peptides for long-lasting hydration and protection against UV light. And again, can be used with or without makeup. Next, we have a little sample of the Lancome UV Expert Aqua Gel Defense 50 sunscreen. And here's what that looks like. And it's a lightweight, broad spectrum SPF 50 face moisturizer and makeup primer for hydrated, dewy, and smoother looking skin. And it's good for normal, dry, combo, and oily skin. And again, can be used with or without makeup. The full size of this is 1 ounce, which is $40. And this is 0.33 ounces, which is a little less than a third of the 1 ounce size. Next up, we have a little Shiseido Ultimate Sun Protector Lotion, SPF 50. And this is a little sample size. I can't even see what size it is. The writing is so small on that, but it says A full size is 2 ounces and it's $25, or a 5 ounce size is $49. And this is an SPF 50, and it can be used on normal, dry, combo, and oily skin, and with or without makeup. Next up, we have a little product from K-Skin, and it's the Isle Glow Face Lotion SPF 45. And here's what that looks like. Okay, I'm not sure what the full size is for this one, but this one is 0.34 ounces. So it is a decent size. You can probably get a couple of uses out of this. And this can be used pretty much on all skin types, and again, with or without makeup. Now, the last two products in here are not necessarily sunscreen. I guess this, I never know how to pronounce this. I'm not sure if it's Sephora, or I'm sure I'm saying that totally wrong, guys. Not real sure. But it is actually a color correcting treatment. And it says to, let's see, apply a moderate amount after a moisturizer. The formula will change from green to beige to help correct the look of redness to even out the skin tone. So I guess it's like a corrector for your skin to like help with the redness, but it does have an SPF 30. So I guess it would qualify as a sunscreen because you could put this on over your moisturizer and under your makeup. And this is by Dr. Jarts, and I know that's a pretty good brand. And this looks like a decent size, but you could get quite a few uses out of. I'm not sure what the full size would retail for, but this is 0.33 fluid ounces. Again, a decent size product. And the last thing we have in here is Isle of Paradise medium self tanning drops for face and body. So these are little drops that you would use if you want to tan. I'm assuming I have no use for that, so I will be passing this on to someone else. But anyway, guys, that is everything that came inside of this little sun safety kit from the Sephora Favorites. Now, real quick, let me tell you the 3 reasons why I think you should pick this kit up if you have not already. And the first reason is, when you go out of the house, I don't care if it's sunny, cloudy, or rainy, you should have on some type of sun protection, some sunblock, sunscreen, whatever you want to call it, because you can still get burnt no matter how long you're out in the sun. And these products help protect your skin against premature aging and things of that sort. So it's really important that you wear that sunscreen. And I don't care how fair-skinned you are or how dark-skinned you are, everybody needs sunscreen and should be wearing it daily if you are outside. Number 2, in this little kit, you get 14 different sunscreens to try out. So you can find one that suits your skin and that you like, and then you can continue to purchase that for your needs. So you just get to try so many different things, and you can find one that works well under your makeup, or if you don't wear makeup, find one that works best with your skin. And this little kit just gives you the ability to try out a variety without breaking the bank, because as we know, sunscreen can get pretty costly. And the last reason, guys, the kit is only $39. And I guess I shouldn't say only $39 because, you know, some people $39 may be a lot. But for the amount of product that you get, $185 worth of products, 2 full size, and a lot of deluxe travel sizes and samples that will last you for a very long time. And for $39, I really do believe that this much sun protection is a steal. I would highly recommend picking this up if you can, because it would definitely be well worth the $39 and then some. The last time I checked Sephora's website, this kit was still available. So if you're interested in grabbing it, I would suggest that you pop on over there and get it as soon as possible, because they do sell out really quickly. Now, I don't know if they release this kit once or twice a year. I want to say that it's once around the springtime for spring and summer, since that's when people are outside more and tend to use sunscreen more, even though we should be using it all year round. So let me know down in the comments below if you think that this sun safety kit is worth the $39, or if you've picked one up for yourself, what your thoughts are on the kit. I thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. Before you go, if you'd hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like, I would appreciate that as well. And until next time, guys, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.